I'm truly delighted that India has been elected as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council for 2021-22. We have received overwhelming support, and I'm deeply humbled by the tremendous confidence which the member states of the United Nations have reposed in India. Our election to the Security Council is a testament to Prime Minister Modi's vision and his inspiring global leadership, particularly in the time of COVID-19. The outcome is a reflection of the strong campaign led by the Honorable Minister of External Affairs, Dr. S. Jaishankar. I also thank the Honorable Minister of State for External Affairs, the Foreign Secretary, my own predecessor, Team MEA, and all the missions abroad, and of course, my own colleagues in the Permanent Mission of India in New York, who have worked very hard for this day. India will become a member of the Security Council at a critical juncture, and we are confident that in the COVID and the post-COVID world, India will continue to provide leadership and a new orientation for a reformed multilateral system. Thank you.